and my dad went to grab a spoon, and it flew off the table and landed between Diego's knees. My dad found like a really big hair clip, and then he like squeezed it, and it like popped out of his hands and hit him in the face.
You're gonna be on that show, Parental Control.
I haven't run away from home.
I have.
I once jumped out of the window.
You on the top story?
No. Well, when I lived in Watertown, I lived on the bottom floor.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you won. There's your stick.
Where? Ah, ha, ha! I won.
I tied a bathrobe tie to like one of those bathrobe rope things to like my curtain holder, and like tried to like propel myself out of the window and down the wall, and then it broke and I fell. And also it was only like this long, and I was like expecting it to be longer than that, and I was just like, oh.
So you've been a failure your whole life. Bros. I like this bridge. It's why. Where are we?
I don't know!
Ah! The sun is setting. Hunger Games. In the clear. Found a road. Hey Courtney, who is right about directions, your iPhone or Emily McGee?
Emily McGee.
Yes, like my directional skills. Going back via road.
Eye is itchy. Filming.
Yes,
Okay.
we made it! Finally, how much walking did we do, Courtney?
A lot! A lot!
Seriously, how many miles do you think we must have
We
walked?
should look that up when we get home.
Well,
a lot!
We can't just look it up.
300 miles!
No, guess!
Like,
It was more than one.
I don't know, we definitely walked like at least one in the woods, and then maybe 1.5 on the road.
You walked 3 miles.
Yeah! We walked 3 miles.
Why does I feel like we should have walked longer?
I don't know.
It's my car.
I feel like I understand Katniss Everdeen now.
I feel like I am Katniss Everdeen.
I've always been.
Cat piss never clean. Courtney baby bleed. We're at the beginning again.
We went far!
We got a little bit lost.
But we made it!
The people that were here earlier are gone.